New services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So I've simply got here on the GX390, 21 litres, 200 bar. This is capable of doing hot, steam, at 120 bar also. So what I've simply got, the system itself is set up so it can easily and quickly be taken off and disconnected from the actual machine itself, off the trailer. Prime frost valve, so as you would do normally, that opens up as you come to use it, leave that open when you finish off as well. What I've simply got there is, we've got the quick release, that goes into the feed of the pump. We've then got the high pressure hose quick release below it, followed by the return dump, that's also on a quick release. We've also got the steam regulator valve also on a quick release. Generator under 110 bar, 110 volt and 240 volt. Return to tank, two systems here. What I've simply got here is hose reel, 100 metres, and what simply is going to go on there is another 100 metre hose reel for the water inlet side. What you've got there is the valve system, so what can simply happen is if you want to at any stage we can turn it off and frost protect it very quickly and easily. So what you've simply got there is that valve. If we close that valve off, make sure that valve's open. If we come to the back end here and open all the water itself, when we open the other side, and it will automatically let the water into the system and drain it. The boiler, turn switch, thermostat, you've got blue 16 amp and 240 volt 13 amp socket there. We've got the steam regulator, so that can obviously be set up there to turn it down onto steam. You've then got the facility for the ball cock, so that goes into the ball cock into the actual tank itself. We've got the direct feed, so if you want to claw fit, you can work straight directly and fill the tank up. Always remember that you will start filling the tank up when you let go of the trigger on the dump side. 80 litre fuel tank there for diesel or kero. We've then got the high pressure quick release outlet. That is for hot. So the hose reel itself, you will plug the hose reel in, you'll have an 80 metre on there followed by a 20 metre. That will plug in. We've also got there, when you're working on steam, you can actually use that there, open that valve up there and use it so you can see what pressure that's working at. Take it out of place, close it off. If you want to, you can disconnect that on a quick release, so the machine itself can just be used as a cold machine by opening it up and using it there and putting the bung in the other side, working the same way. So it's just a cold machine on that gauge. Simply got to go on. The boiler on the top is the lid to protect the boiler and the rain. Any problems, the rain can't go down the chimney. Also to set up